signs telling you where to go. You had to figure it out till now. Big green signs. Whoa! Mini pooper.
Designed by Chef, provided for them the ability to make these obscene amounts of money. Never mind our government.
Hello.
Benefit the rich. Mortgage.
Basically, what happens after the election.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
Right. We will suspend political donating until there's an election.
Red. Left turn lane.
Should just say, just for the sake of making sure that anybody.
Exit regret behind me. Oh, Jesus.
We are so much them. It is when it comes time to build the coal plant.
Hello.
When it comes time to build the
Cameroid.
The chemical.
What he's doing to his dynamic, he doesn't mix in some working class, pro working class rhetoric. Even though it's completely,
crossed up line, two of them at once. Nice cut off.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Exit dive. So oh, you better get to that exit because there's the next one's in 30 miles. Really, the right turn doesn't work that way, and you hit the curb.
But it's got to be big. Like, we're going to find out in 15 days where they are with their
Yeah, we had slamming on brakes for you.
Yeah, exactly. To get us to do the right thing, you need to apply pressure, and it needs to be real. I think there would have been there's definitely more of an openness, even to having people push reluctant senators to do things.
Another exit dive.
Does feel new.
Oh, behind me. Nope. Oh well. Oh nope. There's one right in front of me.
Organization has acknowledged that it needed to make, and as we talk about,
rolled right through the stop sign. My spidey sense is tingling. He's gonna want to get to the left lane for some reason. Oh, you're too nice. I will make him work for it.
Had a note about
David Troyer.
Oh, nice cutoff and nice exit dive.
I'm just repeating what you said.
Don't put that image in anybody's mind, let alone mine.
Oh, exit dive.
I did it already.
Didn't even stop. Now the Beamer ran out of blinker fluid. Yeah, light screen, buddy. You didn't stop. It's double lined here. Exit dive.